Alright, y'all, I got a quick one real quick. If y'all would get these Cadillac center caps and you're trying to put them back on, I'm gonna show you how real quick. So, that's easy to take off, but when you're trying to put it on, you want to line it up with this mark right here. Line that up with the valve stem and it'll go right on. So here's your valve stem right here. So you just turn this so it can line up. I'm trying to do this with one hand, it's crazy. But hold on. Oh, there you go. That's one-handed, but that's how you do it.